sobrang haba nito ng hair natin. So for today's video, let's go a barber. Into two at I have like this, divided into two equal, then cut it. I'm gonna show you how I will be cutting it. Here, cut it on the what do you call this? On the edge. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Alright, let's do it. Let's do a trial. So let us move a little bit the tie. Let it move, and then move it on your desired length, like this. Okay, since I'm scared, let's do it, let's do a trial first. Let us do a trial first. I'm scared, I really love my hair. I don't care if it's long or what, but my hair gotten dry, so I really have to trim it. I am scared. Oh my god, is it equal? Okay. Let it move more. Maybe it to the length that you're comfortable to cut. Okay, let's do on this inch. Let's do it. But I cannot see the result if it's only if this is the only length I can cut. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Alright, I already cut this inch, and then let's repeat it to the other side. Okay, I'm gonna cut it out, and then let's see the result, if how it is, or how it was, or what is the result. Okay, I cut it also on this inch, the same with the other one. Okay, let's untie it, and then let us see the result. Like this lang. Nothing's happened. But oh wow. Oh, nothing happened, but it's look different. Wow, nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. There's nothing happened, but the dry on the edge of my hair remove. Look. Oh no. I like it. I think I have to do it more. Okay. Let's prepare the hair again. Comb it. Oh my god, I'm gonna do it more, okay? I'm gonna do it more to see the more result. Okay. Again. Okay. Let's sacrifice this length. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it with this length. Okay, I do have a courage now. Let's do it. I'm scared, but it's okay. Let's do it. If it's if it's gone wrong, then let's go to the parlor to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. It's so hard because I just use this kind of hair. A paper scissor. Then I cut this kind of hair. Okay? Oh no. I'll have to trim it out. Oh no. Sorry hair, but I still love you, okay? I have to trim it. I still love you hair. Don't hate me, please. Okay. Okay, trim it out. Ooh, I'm scared. And then let's do to the other side. It's a bit, it's a bit thick. So, but it's okay. Let's do it. I'm scared, really. Let's do it. It's really hard to use a paper scissor. I just use a paper scissor, guys. So much better if you can find a scissor that's fit to your hair. Don't use a paper scissor. Oh my god, let's see the result. Okay, I cut it out. And then, let's trim so that it can, let's trim it. There is people sleeping at my back, so I really have to carefully ipon all the hair so that it won't kalat. It won't be kalat. Okay. Alright, I got it out now. Now let's see the result. Alright, let's see. But wait, let me have my comb first. Let us see the result. Oh my god, it's so short. Oh, I love this idea. I love this. I love it. Oh, ha? It's okay, guys. There's nothing wrong. It's okay. My hair got more smoother and straight. And then, it's comfortable. It's comfortable. Oh no. And then I think I should have a layer here. Here, in front of my face. I want to have a layer here. Okay, let's do it. Let's fix it first. This is only the thin I am comfortable to cut it. So let it dry first. Okay. You know what, guys? I really wanted to be a hairstylist someday, but I don't even have a chance to pursue it. I don't know. Maybe someday I can do it. Okay, I just wanted to let it wet. Let's do the, I don't know how it's will. Okay, let's do it on this side. Let's do it first. Okay, let's do it like this, like that. Oh, it's look like equal or pantay, look like pantay. And let's do it here. Same. Oh no, I have a bangs now. And then let's let it wet first. Let it wet. And then let it, oh no, the comb. It's okay. Let it, please. I don't know if it's like this. Oh no, oh my god. It became a bounce. It's not layer. It's still equal. It's still pantay. But it's okay. So let us remove this. It's okay. I just wanted hair. Next time, let's do it perfect. Okay. If I learn others or I learn something on how to cut the hair, let's do it. Okay. Here is my hair now. Here's my hair now. There is no layer here, so it didn't happen the things that I want in the front of my face, but it's okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna let you see it cool. Okay, let's see. It's a bit dark here. Let's go downstairs and then here. Okay, there you go. Diba? It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. It's not bad. So cut on your own now. Bye bye. Thank